Welcome to our channel. If you like to support our channel, please share it with your friends. In addition, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to ensure that you always receive the most recent information from us. "2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid." Coming along with the photos, the spy photographer sent the following commentary on the 2024 Tacoma. "We caught a mule for the next generation Toyota Tacoma, and a front fascia camo slip has shown some elements of what's hiding behind the disguise. There's also clues of hybridization, judging by high voltage cabling. The mule's front fascia camouflage slipped down, revealing some of the grille, headlights, and some of the front fender. It gives us a little more insight into the shapes hiding behind the frontal disguise, at least on this mule. What we see here is very close to the Tundra, so if these aren't the final production panels, we may reveal different styling elements. We have heard that fully production-bodied prototypes are being tested, so we'll see how the story develops. 2024 Toyota Tacoma Interior. The Toyota Tacoma 2024 will come with a variety of amenities that will make driving it comfortable. There is plenty of headroom and legroom in both the driver and passenger seats, which are also comfy and well padded. The cup holders in the front are spacious and convenient, and the cup holders in the back are similarly roomy and suitable for a wide range of beverage varieties. The distance pacing tool is really helpful, and the fixed back windows offer decent sight. The lockable glove box is a great improvement, and the manual air conditioning is highly efficient. The complete cloth headliner provides a touch of elegance, and the driver footrest is a great addition. The urethane gear-shifting material is smooth and simple to use, and the fabric door trim insert is a wonderful touch. The delayed accessory power is a great touch, and the cloth seat trim is really pleasant. The analog style of the exterior temperature gauge is appealing, and it is extremely accurate.